A versus an. Words beginning with U. English in color. U, U. Ooh, ooh. Ah. U, you. Ooh, new. Na. U. A use. A unit. A university. A utopia. A euphemism. Ooh. An Uber. Not many words start with oo. An umbrella. An uptick. An understanding. An uncle. So let's read. A, E, I, O, U, Oi, ow, An inch is a unit of measurement. An inch is a unit of measurement. An umbrella is beside a ukulele. An umbrella is beside a ukulele. I have an understanding that a universe is large. I have an understanding that a universe is large. He has a use for a utensil. He has a use for a utensil. An ugly hat is part of a uniform. An ugly hat is part of a uniform. An uncle gave a eulogy. An uncle gave a eulogy.